Actually, I'm proud of being associated for so long with the department, since 1985. This department has been an illustrious, prestigious department established in 1963 with Professor Chandrasekhar, the only faculty member at the time, with a course of diploma in linguistics being started that year. However, in 1966 it became a full-fledged department, and Professor P.B. Pandit, eminent linguist from India, he joined the department as professor. And it was later when in 1976 Professor R.N. Srivastava also joined the department. However, the department has had very eminent personalities such as Professor Ravindranath Srivastava, Professor S. Agasthalingam, Professor C. Ram Rao, Professor C. J. Daswani, and Professor Prem Singh, Professor K. V. Subba Rao, Professor Ramakant Agnihotri, and many other eminent persons, joined the department. Department also has had the privilege of having some of the world-renowned scholars like Noam Chomsky, John Gumperz, Joshua Fishman, and a host of other scholars, like Peter Treadgill, George Lakoff, Richard Mackey, Franklin Southworth, Yamuna Kachru, Brajbi Kachru, M.A.K. Halliday, Andre Martine, David Abercrombie, George Cardona, Ashok Kelkar, Peter Ledfogue, and R.M.W. Dixon, and many others, who have visited the department and addressed the students and delivered number of lectures. And many alumni of the department, we are proud of the fact that they have held highly prestigious positions in a diverse range of fields, in the departments, in the institutions, and they have contributed. They have contributed so much that their names, cannot be ignored. So department continues, and we have had we have been having the students from all over the world, from all parts of Asia, from South Asian countries, even from Europe, also from America, Canada, and so on. So during its history, spanning almost about 60 years, department has made a name to reach the stage where, for its contribution in the areas of theoretical and applied linguistics, department has been recognized as a center for advanced studies in linguistics by UGC. And we hope to further strengthen the department, strengthen the programs, and strengthen the facilities which we need to provide to the students and make it as one of the best examples in the world.
Of these states, and there are similarities in language as well.
Currently, number of persons have retired, and we have to hire 8 more faculty members. A professor's position we have to fill. We have to hire a number of associate professors and a number of assistant professors. So 8 positions we have to fill. Then we will be 14. Currently we are left with 6. We also had a position of technical officer. That position also is to be filled. We have had a senior technical assistant position that is also to be filled. But we have excellent facilities. We have a very strong library. We have good laboratories, air-conditioned facilities for seminars, conferences, and so on. In addition to the fact that we have number of ongoing exchange programs where we get students from many countries and we run the programs for them. They do 1 semester here or some intensive programs, and as part of the annual resource generation, we are generating huge fund. I am proud to say that over last 5 years we have earned more than 1 crore, to the university. So that is one arm of the department. But department in its regular programs like MA, MPhil, PhD also has post-MA diploma in linguistics and then an advanced diploma in linguistics, and we attract students. We have been having good students who have graduated from this department, and we hope to have more facilities. We are planning to upgrade the facilities in the library. We are going to have it air conditioned. We have a dedicated sum meant for that purpose, and we are also going to upgrade our computer facilities. Nevertheless, we have a computer lab at present. We have a psycholinguistics and neurolinguistics lab also used as language lab. We also have a phonetics lab. We have a seminar room. We have a conference room. We have a room, two rooms meant for foreign language resources, where we conduct programs for the students who visit us from other countries, and we have classrooms, and we have latest multimedia facilities which we have been using for a pretty long time. Every faculty member is used to make ample use of the multimedia facilities. In addition to that, we encourage students to participate in seminars. We also encourage organization of the seminars exclusively meant for research students, and they feel very happy where they get the opportunity to share ideas with each other, and also to familiarize with the ongoing work being done by the respective research scholars. We hope to enhance more facilities for the students, and I'm sure that in the coming time, when we have a strong faculty, further stronger faculty, and we have better facilities, and we hope to enrich our library further, this will be one of the best departments. But in our humility, we also encourage our interface with sister institutions like Jawaharlal Nehru University, Kashmir University, Aligarh Muslim University, Mahatma Gandhi Antarashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalaya, and other universities elsewhere. And our faculty members, they have been regularly participating in the national and international events. So this gives another dimension to the research enterprise, which goes on here in addition to the academic inputs. Members of the faculty have also been invited. International research programs are also going on, and members of the faculty have been invited as visiting professors elsewhere. We have also members of our faculty have also strengthened other universities, so that's, we always feel proud of it, and we look forward to make it. And we let me share here that we also have our continuous efforts for outreach. So we go to conduct workshops in the schools, in the colleges, and in many universities wherever we can benefit and strengthen their existing programs. So this is also an integral part of our policy, that we not only we go there, we also encourage students. And this is also very interesting to know that we have covered almost all over India, for the linguistic explorations, and particularly the emphasis has been on the lesser known languages, minority languages, tribal languages, and so on. Different aspects of linguistic studies as well as applied linguistics have focused on these languages. So this has been going on in the department, and department is always eager to strengthen itself and emerge as a very strong institution, for this purpose.